Assalamu alaikum students. Our today's topic is conjunctions. Hope you have heard this term before, but if you have not, then I tell you that conjunction are the words that are used to join two words or two sentences in a single sentence. Uh, we can get into the detail. Your book says joining words are called conjunctions. Junctions. Junction is something that joins two things together. Literally, if we talk about conjunctions, so conjunction or junction is the place or is the point where two points meet with each other. This is the literal meaning of this word junctions. So here they are used to join words and sentences. So its usage is that in English there are some words that are used to join some words and sentences too. You can have an apple or a banana. So here we are joining two words in a single sentence using the conjunction or. This box is small but heavy. So here again we are joining two words in a single sentence using but. Now the question lies here, what are the words that are called the conjunctions? There are a lot of words that work or that functions at conjunction. There's not specific word that we say that it is the conjunction or is used as a preposition. It is also used as a conjunction. So it depends upon its use whether we are using it as a conjunction or as a preposition. On your level, there are few words that we will talk about that fall under the category of conjunction. These are and, or, and but. Here you know that and is a word that we use to count the words. For example, we say Alina, Hera and Saira are not working together. So here and is used as a counting word, not as a conjunction. It is not joining two sentences or two words together. But in some cases, and is used to join two separate sentences in a single sentence. At a larger scale or at a higher scale, when we have to do writings, so we do not repeat the subject in every sentence. So what we do, we join two sentences by just joining the objects of the two sentences using a conjunction. As we see an example, the shop has cakes, the shop has pastries. Now these are the two sentences having the same subject, same verb, but the different objects. So in this case, where we have the same subject and a same verb, we can add or join the objects of the two sentences using conjunction. So here in this case we use and. We will further study about or and but. So this is the exercise A. Join these sentences using and. So the sentences like these can be joined together using conjunction and. It is not necessary that we can join all the two sentences with the same subjects using and. It depends upon the condition of the sentence whether we have to use and or but. Raza has a pencil. Raza has an razor. Raza has a pencil and an razor. Now here in this example, we are talking about two things, sort of counting. So here, though we are using and as a conjunction, but still it is helping us to join two different words, two different objects in a single sentence having the same subject. So it might be like a third sentence, Raza has a pencil, Raza has a table, Raza has a chair. So when we join all the sentences, we can use it like this: Raza has a pencil, a table, a chair, or and a razor. So here again and is being used as a conjunction here. Move to the second sentence. Shams has a ball dot Shams has a bat. Shams has a ball and a bat. Again, we are talking about two different things with the same subject and a same verb. Moving further, my grandfather is old dot my grandfather is weak. Now, there are two qualities associated with the same subject, that is grandfather. So there is no need to write my grandfather or the subject again and again in the different sentences. So we can join these two sentences using conjunction and. Mohsin likes going to the zoo dot Mohsin likes going to the museum. Mohsin likes going to the zoo and museum. My sister likes to eat fruits dot I like to eat fruits. Now here is a little deviation to the examples that we have been doing so far. Here I will be changed as me when it comes at the start of the sentence, because we are changing the style of the sentence. Me and my sister. So here we cannot do it that way, I and my sister. It will be like that. Me and my sister like to eat fruits. So here likes, the mandatory S will be removed from here as we have the plural subject. How much did the book cost? Question mark. How much did the flowers cost? How much did the book and flowers cost? Sana is going on a picnic dot Tahira is going on a picnic. Sana and Tahira are going on a picnic. Let us go. Let us sit under the big tree. So here again we see that there's a little explanatory subject, but still we can join them using and. Let us go and sit under that big tree. So this is the exercise B. Now here we are using the conjunction but. Now we will compare the two conditions, in which condition we used and as a conjunction, and what is the condition we have used but in the sentences as conjunction. Ali raced to catch the bus dot he missed it. See, when we get almost two opposite condition or somehow related conditions as an object with the same subject, we use but in that case. Ali raced to catch the bus, but he missed it. So here we see that this is the continuation of the explanation in the second sentence, but the writer has started a new sentence for that matter. So here we will omit this subject from here and will join two sentences by using the conjunction but. Babar is my brother. Aslam is not my brother. So here two different informations, somehow continuation of information is done with the two different subjects. See, I told you before that not in every case we use and having the same subjects. It might be possible we have different subjects. So how in that case we join the two sentences when we have two different subjects? So Babar is my brother, but Aslam is not my brother. Here in this case, my is the main subject. So in both the sentences, my is the same, but Babar and Aslam would be different, and we have connected these two sentences by using but. Parvez is clever dot Parvez is lazy. So here Parvez is clever but he is lazy. We can do it in another way. Parvez is clever but lazy. So here we do not need to repeat the subject again and again. Anwar saw the accident dot he did not tell anyone about it. Anwar saw the accident but he did not tell anyone about it. See, here it is important to add he over here because it is a necessity of the sentence. Anwar saw the accident but did not tell anyone about it. It looks little less explanatory. So in some cases, we repeat the subject even though using a conjunction. The frock is red. The frock is orange. The frock is red, but that is orange. So here, sort of a counting we see as we have done in the and conjunction sentences. We use the same subject with the same helping verb with two different words or two different objects at the end. But here we see a single frock cannot be red and orange at the same time. So here we will get the idea that we are not supposed to use and over here, but over here. The park is small. We can play cricket in it. The park is small, but we can play cricket in it. So here, the park is small. One information. Play cricket in it. Second information. So this is again the continuation information that we have in the second sentence. So we have joined it using a conjunction but. The bull is old. He can still do a lot of work. The bull is old, but still can do a lot of work. Anila would like to eat an ice cream. She has a cold. Anila would like to eat an ice cream but has a cold. So here you can see that in some sentences we have repeated the subject of the second sentence, though we have used but in some sentences we have not done that. So it is the requirement of the sentence whether if it makes sense, then we use the subject, and if it does not, we do not. That's it for today. Hope you have understood all. For further queries, you can ask your teacher.